Jenny from OrigamiTree, and today we're going to be surprising a bunch of seniors. So to make a long story really short, a couple months ago I came to a senior center in downtown Manhattan and we did a wooden wind chimes project. So every single senior got a blank wooden wind chime and they were asked to paint it. Everybody participated except for one senior, and so I asked her, well, why is that? And she said, I hate to paint. Because the last time she painted, she got paint all over her clothes and she wasn't able to remove any of it and it ruined her clothing. Then it dawned upon me that the senior center doesn't have any aprons for the seniors to use. So then I thought it would be really nice to surprise them with a bunch of canvas aprons. I started a GoFundMe account and, you know, just wanted to raise $100, and it was supposed to be something kind of quick. I was just gonna order it and ship it to the center, but then we ended up getting a little bit more funding than expected. And so first of all, I want to thank everybody who supported this cause. I'm sure the seniors are really going to appreciate it. I have a giant suitcase. It's full of wooden sort of memory box chest things and stencils and paints and windmills and what else is in there? Other stuff is in there too, and all of that is thanks to you guys. So yeah, we're gonna go in a little bit.
What, babe?
Oh, you added some eyeballs to it.
I did.
Can I see what you did?
I mean, nothing.
Nothing. That's something. That's a ladybug.
Something.
I like it.
Oh.
Really good. Are you painting today, or are we just penciling? Okay. Very nice.
Thank you. Good night, Patrick. Isn't that Happy New Year?
Yeah, that's Happy New Year.
That's what I'm telling this little.
Oh, she says you're doing a really good job too, and that's really beautiful. I like this one. Oh, you put your initial. What are you putting in the box? That's the big question. You don't know yet?
And go back on Facebook and tell them that we need dinner because all we get here is cabbage.
Cabbage?
And pork. And cabbage and rice. Cabbage, pork, and rice. So we need a substantial dinner. Thank you so much, all you volunteers, to help us.